So let me show you how to factory reset your OnePlus Nord CE6 or CE6 5G. Simply go into settings, so tap on settings and then scroll down and find system and update. So you want to tap on that, and then under this menu you want to tap on backup and reset. Tap on that, then you want to select reset phone, so tap on that, and then under reset phone you want to tap on erase all data to reset to factory settings, so tap on that. It's going to check a few things, ask you to verify yourself using the lock screen pin, password or pattern, so do that. And then it's going to let you know what will happen once you confirm this option. It's going to permanently clear all the data and your phone is going to be restored to factory settings. So if you're sure you want to proceed with that, simply tap on clear and it should factory reset your phone to the state that it was in when it was new, and you'll have to reset, or you'll have to set up your phone once again afresh. That's basically how to factory reset your OnePlus Nord CE6 or CE6 5G. Thank you for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel if this was useful. Don't forget to leave a comment and any questions down below, and we'll get back to you. Take care and God bless.